Hi, welcome to this Pen Publishing Interactive Flipper Site Developer CMS video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a Google account to SEO Maximizer within Flipper Site Developer CMS. Let's get started. So I am already logged into my Flipper Site Developer CMS website. When you log in, if you see this interface, that means that your Google Analytics account is not connected to your Flipper site. So once you connect and you can see this faded graphic here, you'll be able to see this type of data that comes directly from your Google Analytics account. So the first thing you need to do is just click on the link to connect. Once you do this, it's going to take you to the Webmaster Tools section of Flipper and just hit Link Google Account. Once you do that, you need to type in the Google account that you want to pull analytics for. Or do you have access to the analytics you're trying to show on your website? And I already have one, I have a demo email here set up, and I'm just going to hit enter. Once I have logged into my Google account, you'll get this kind of a notice from Google saying that PPI wants to access your Google account, and the only thing that we will have access, or Flipper will have access, is to view your Google Analytics data and view your Google Search Console data for your verified sites. So all I'm going to do is hit allow. Once I hit allow, it's going to take me back to Flipper, and here you choose the properties that you want to display the data for. Now on your setup, this might be the URL of the website. This can be just the name of the tracking that you're trying to do for that account. For me, again, this is a demo, so I'm just going to select demo site 1 for my property and demo profile 1 for my view. Once I do that, all I got to do is save. And once you save, now when I go back to admin and use, it's going to load my exact data that's coming from Google Analytics. And again, you only have to do this one time, the first time that you set this up, and thereafter when you log in, you will have the latest and greatest charts for the data that you see on the screen, which is users, sessions, average page per session, and this numbers at the top are over the last 30 days. As you can see, you have the past week, past month, and past year here. The other cool thing you can do once you connect is you can expand this, zoom in, zoom out, and really check out the data in more detail. But that's it. That's how easy it is to connect the Google Analytics account or your Google account to Flipper Site Developer CMS's SEO Maximizer. Hope this video has been beneficial. If you want more information about pen publishing, visit us at penpublishing.com. You can also send us an email at sales@penpublishing.com. If you're on Facebook and Twitter, we'd appreciate a like and a follow. And if you're watching this on YouTube, we'd greatly appreciate if you followed or you subscribed to our channel. Thank you, and until next time.